Listen to the question first.
I repeat like, yes, you pick the right answer. The answer is 24. Right option then. Question for grade 2. How many alphabets are there in English? 20. Yes, you pick the right answer. Right option then. Question for grade 3. Which animal is known as ship of desert? Yes, you pick the right answer. Right option then. Question for grade 4. How many months are there in a year? 12 months. Yes, you pick the right answer. Right option then. Question for grade 5. Who wrote National Anthem of India? Yes, you pick the right answer. The answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Thank you. First, believe that came with their beautiful quote. I would like to call Uttej her thought of the day. I am Uttej of grade 4 Hazel. Now I am going to tell thought. Time is limited. Don't waste it. Someone else's life. I am repeating again. Thought. Time is limited. Don't waste it. Someone else's life. Thank you. Hemant. All, my name is Hemant. I am from grade 4 Hazel. Now I am going to say state news. State news. Telangana Pollution Control Board, Hyderabad, to join hands for arresting water pollution. Thank you. To deliver a speech. Good morning to everyone. I am Nanasani of grade 4 Hazel. Today, I would like to tell a speech at my school. As we all know, that school is the place of learning. And it is the best place of learning. And it is the place of learning new things. I love my school. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. To tell the new one. To all, today thought is brought to you by Exit from grade 4 Hazel. Thought, curious, eager to learn or know something. Thank you. Brought to you by Exit from grade 4 Hazel.